Hold up, I was ready to take a picture. Hold up, check. Okay. Ah! Ah! God, I gotta do that. Hold up. Check me out. Ooh, god damn. Ooh, god damn. Check me out. Hold up, I was gonna take that picture. How did I stand? I look cooler than a motherfucker when I was just posing for this picture. I was like this. Hold up, I was like that shit like that. Hold up. Hey! I was like this type shit. I was like this. Hold up. I was like this. I was like this, standing here like this or something. I was like, yeah. Hold up. How I look swole the hell up. Hold up. Oh yeah, let me put the bat wings on. Ha! This is how I was, something like that. I was like, hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Let me see here. Whoa. Oh, shit. Beginner's love soon fades away. Oh, baby, we hold on. I will. Hello. The only difference between me and a lot of people is I stopped doing things that don't make sense.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Welcome to the Bobby Sun News Channel. Like, comment, subscribe for more great content brought straight to you. Peace, baby!